And today we're going to talk about the purpose of addiction treatment. Now, a lot of people would say, well, it's obvious that the purpose of addiction treatment is to get people off drugs, but it's actually more complicated than that. If I lock someone in a closet for a week, that doesn't get them off drugs. It may make them sober for the moment, but their coping mechanisms and everything else that has led them into using drugs is still there. The purpose of proper addiction treatment is to give someone a better life so they don't feel like they need to go back to drugs. You see, people don't use drugs because they want to mess themselves up. They use drugs because they're trying to do something. Maybe they're anxious and they're trying to deal with that. They can't sleep well. They're overwhelmed by life. They don't have good coping skills. They're not sure what to do with themselves and they're bored. There are lots of things that people are trying to treat by using drugs. And my goal is to try and help people to find a better life so they have better coping skills, so they have a way of dealing with their anxiety, their depression, their insomnia, these sorts of things. And if we can help someone to be healthier, to have a better life, then they wouldn't have any reasons to go back to drugs. And so at its core, the purpose of addiction treatment is to help someone to find a better life so that they don't need